and welcome back, people.
What's up? What's up, everyone? Happy weekend, CM. Happy weekend.
Happy weekend, happy Valentine, guys. We're doing now
Happy
a live, a KASPA
Valentine.
live, and we have a special deal for KASPA hodlers that got wrecked already in 2024 and want to change their life. We have a 25% coupon discount now on all our services, so check it out, my friends.
Yes, it's in the
And
bottom of the chart. CM, tell me, what do you think about Casper right now?
right now, total rubbish, but we have a fork coming. Okay, this is an event that they are starting to pump. Okay, in anticipation, you have a countdown on it, 75 days. Now it's probably gonna get very hypey. Okay, it's gonna get very hypey. They're gonna push it on Twitter. It's gonna be all over the place, and people will start probably buying into it. That's what I'm speculating. I'm thinking we might get a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event, or maybe it's gonna be a white swan, like something that can really reverse the Caspa bear now and flip it to a back to bull run. So we're now gonna discuss it. How we going to play it? Me, I'm gonna play it only by charts only. I'm not buying this nonsense. I'm waiting for clear levels that Caspa will break, and we're gonna share it with you the levels we watching for reversal. And yeah, if you have any question, guys, first of all, smash the fucking like, smash the like, double, not double, triple, and leave a comment if you have any question for us today.
Exactly. CM, I wonder, every time I hear the word fork, right? Every time I hear the word fork, I always contemplate about past beautiful forks we had. The first beautiful fork I had was the Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin fork in 2017. That was an amazing fork, right? So, in the history of crypto, you had beautiful forks and you had, mean nothing forks, right? I wonder what the KASPA one is going to be, because KASPA is one of those coins that is hyped. A lot of people love it. We do bash every now and then the fundamentals because we don't trade on the fundamentals. But if you look purely on, the trilemma and stuff like that, so it does have some kind of merit. Do we trade upon it? Absolutely not. But do we kind of appreciate it? Yeah, we do appreciate it, right? So I wonder if all this type of sentiment around Caspa can lead to this fork being beautiful, right? So, small explanation: why can a fork be a buy, buy the rumor, sell the news? Because hey, what happens usually in a fork is that the chain splits, and if you held the root coin, in this case Caspa, if you held it, then you get the other forked coin as a gift just for holding Caspa. Okay, so if this really is one of these very anticipated, I don't know, forks, and if you combine it with a beautiful market potentially, right? Let's say we go above 110, $1,000, and we have 70 days until the fork. So let's say we actually in 70 days we do get that continuation, and we do get a beautiful market, and this is the hype, let's call it, fork. People will buy Caspa in anticipation, right? So that's why what happens is that there is a price surge usually coming to the event, and we've seen this multiple times. I know you traded events multiple times back in even as early as 2020, 2021 with the Theta events. I remember you telling me that, right? So if we do get this, we can get a huge buying potentially, right, on Caspa leading to the event. And after the fork happens, they get the free coins and dump Caspa, maybe dump the coins that they got for free. That is a valid strategy. That's almost a no-brainer strategy if that's your thing, not our thing whatsoever, right? But if that's your thing, and if you believe, maybe that's what people do, and that's why you get all the buy the rumor, sell the news. That's the mechanics. What do you think, CM?
Yeah, man. Absolutely. I would buy Caspa now, man. Really. If it was in a bull run, it's not below, it's no above the moving averages. If it was above the moving averages in a textbook technical bull market, I will buy Caspa now. Swear to God, I will buy a ton of Caspa, because I like this kind of stuff. I made a filthy money on the mainnet hypes and forks, and any kind of event. They come up with a new product. This coin come up with this one. la 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 la. It was amazing strategy last cycle in
Yeah, it's a
2022.
catalyst. It was a catalyst.
It was amazing, and I really missed those days, man. It was free money.
It's
Uh,
free money.
but now KASPA is not above the moving average, so it's not in a bull market. I'm buying this kind of events only if the coin is in a bull market.
Exactly, exactly. And look, you can be you can give Caspa some slack because it had a big dump. We made beautiful money shorting it, right? And I closed almost the bottom of this short, right? But since then, it's bouncing quite beautifully, creating I'm going to show this for just 1 second. People, love to, name patterns, right? So this is kind of a Adam and Eve pattern. People love Adam and Eve, reversal patterns. So this is it. You can go Google search it, ChatGPT it, Adam and Eve pattern. It looks something like this, right? It's a reversal pattern. Might be, right? But for me, what I want to see Casper doing, all right, to I wanted to regain, the base, right? I wanted to regain above this trend line. As you can see, I charted here where is the maximum resistance area, and we are kind of, within it. And if we go above this, something like this, break and then create something beautiful, maybe in anticipation for, the fork, maybe this fork is the catalyst that we need in order for Caspa to regain, strength and potentially, go back into a beautiful stage two uptrend. We always said that this might happen, all right? So we're just waiting for it, and I need the confirmation, as you said. I'm not just buying Caspa. I won't even buy Caspa in anticipation because of the fork. But if I'm coupling this, potential catalyst with, a potential continuation trade that might happen or not, right? Might happen or not. Then combining these two, checking those dots, right, might lead me into, trading Caspa, with price action pattern and knowing that there is a catalyst in the back end. But for me, first and foremost, we need to get, out of this um, stage four, because as long as we're below this trend line here, we're still in the stage four decline, because we can retest it as we're doing now and boom, crash back down. This can still happen, right? Right now, this is normal action, retesting, and we just need to wait and see what Caspa wants to do, right? It's paramount that people don't jump the gun. People love jumping the gun, CM. No confirmation, nothing. They say, oh, Caspa fork, boom, let's buy it without price confirmation. For me, I rather, buy higher than now, but sell much higher later after I have a confirmation. I don't need the added 10, 15, 20%. Sometimes I don't even need the first 50 or 100%. If something goes 100%, 150%, sometimes even 400%, but then creates a continuation trade, boom, I will take it. No questions asked, because I know the mechanics of supply and demand. Right, CM? I mean, are you with me on this, or you think something different?
Yeah, man. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Guys, smash the like, smash the like. I think the same, man. I'm just gonna share my what I'm watching. Okay,
Yeah,
just
share it. And by the way, guys, this is Valentine's weekend still, right? And as you can see at the bottom, we have the Valentine's, weekend special, 25% off the trading services. Why? Because we want to share the love, right? We want to share the love. It's Valentine's weekend, all right? So what you need to do is scan the QR code in the upper left side. It will take you to our program. 25%. Use the code that you can see here. If you want to pay crypto, send the email. You won't get these types of prices every day. It's only on special events, ladies and gents. And not only that, CM, we haven't said anything about it, but we shorted the ass on Casper, made money. We longed Tell just now,
yeah.
made
I'm
killing on Tell.
just gonna
You
show them
know,
the tail trade. Okay,
show
so
the Tell trade,
this
show
is
the Casper trade if you want to as well.
the
You
tail
did
is
it. I have it as well. We both made money, for our people, on these charts. And the thing is that people don't appreciate the fact that how agile we are, while Bitcoin is just chopping around, nothing is happening. And show the trade for now. We are making money in the meantime. People just waiting on their asses, waiting for
yeah.
something to happen. And we're
Showing
just
them, man.
making
One sec.
no worries, making the money in the meantime, right? So that's what you want to be doing. You want to make sure that you are agile, because hey, we're retail traders. As retail traders, we have the power to be agile in and out, and just making the money that we can, at the moments we can do it, to extract money, to have an edge. And that's what we try to do in this in this
Yeah,
channel,
man.
right?
Yeah, man. This is what the trade I shared.
We
Okay,
don't see it. We don't see it.
you don't see it.
No, we see still your Caspa chart.
Ah, okay, okay, okay. So I'm gonna share it again. 1 second.
Do it.
Just wanna share it. Where is this stuff? Share window. Window. Yeah, window. Yeah, I'm gonna share. Do you see the chart?
Now we do. Now we do see the WAP, but
Okay.
click on the chart so we can
Yeah,
see it
yeah,
bigger.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so this is the trade. This is the trade I shared. Okay, a couple of days ago on Tel. We bought it in the community at 76, man. While Kaspa was doing nothing. Look at Tel, man. Let me show you the Tel trade. Okay, it's right here. I have it. All right. You can see it already hit all our targets. Amazing, amazing trade. I still have a runner. All my community, they always leave runner because when we have this kind of breakouts, we leave runners because they can go much more than we think they would. At the moment, we are max gain. What if 65% max gain at some point? At the moment, it's like 50% or something. Man, Kaspa is doing nothing. We print money. Really, do yourself a favor. Join the community. Link below. Now I'll show you
For sure.
the Kaspa thoughts. Okay, now look, Kaspa can do a reversal. Yeah, he can, but me, I'm not buying on a possibility. I'm buying confirmation. Okay, so for me, I need this trend line to break. You can see this trend line is where I'm gonna be interested. Maybe again, maybe I need to see how it will look like, and I want to see also the close above the 200-day MA. You can see this. I want to see, this one, this thing here. This is where's my brush, man? Where's my fucking brush?
Your brush.
You can see here. I want to see here this high taking out. Okay, I want to see Kaspa take that high, or if it's doing this kind of like a reversal pattern like this here, then I'm gonna buy the breakout here of 16 cents. But I need to see the 16 cents takeout, and I want to see also a golden cross. Okay, so that's the problem. Kaspa have a death cross on. Okay, death cross is when the asset is bearish. Okay, this is a sign that the bears are in control. You want bulls in control. You want to see the 50 cross above the 200 and have a death cross, a golden cross. That's me. That's what I'm looking for in Kaspa. I need to see a reversal. I'm not gonna buy this nonsense now because I have trades that making me much better money, like Tel and like other names that I'm watching and having and waiting for them to pump.
Exactly. And that's the thing, CM. People are, when they are hooked on one coin, they are totally blinded on other coins, on other opportunities. All right. That's the thing. People are just blinded. Always, hey, I'm invested in this coin. I'm waiting, diamond hands, just wait until this makes me money. Why to replace time for money? Right? We don't do that, right? We understand that there's potential in all coins, right? Even cast potential long, short, doesn't matter. Whenever they show us, all right, a potential for a trade, we take it. And hey, I can show you as well on my, for my community how I, the same Tel, chart. I had it over here. Boom. You can see that I shared this on February 5th, right? So on February 5th, I already, made sure that the community is looking, at Tel to make sure that we're taking this trade. I've talked about this in my, my daily insights. And Caspa, what was Caspa doing? Nothing. It was breaking down, and we actually shorted Caspa as well, right? So we shorted Caspa, made money. Then we longed Tel. Now we're waiting for more trades, right? So people that are hooked on specific coins just need to understand that you don't need to get married to one coin. Just date all of them while they make you money. That's it. That's it.
Trade the best charts, man.
Trade the best charts, trade the best opportunities, and be aggressive in the best environments. That's another added layer that people
As
need to.
Kaspa turned bullish. Well, no, man. It's still in a bear market, technical bear market. I told you, just show you now. Below the moving averages, it's bearish. If it breaks above the moving averages, it's gonna be bullish. I'm waiting for it to be bullish for me to buy. I'm not buying bearish coins in a bull market. Okay, no, I'm not buying bearish coin. I'm shorting bearish coin. At the moment, I don't touch Kaspa now. I'm waiting for it to show me that it's doing a reversal. Then I'm gonna buy.
Look, I again, this question, what does it mean? So let's say it turns bullish. Does it mean, you should buy it, you shouldn't buy it? It turns bearish, you should sell it. People, I just don't get it, right? So what you need to ask yourself, and who was this person? Marcus. Marcus, you just need to ask yourself, is there an edge in trading a specific coin or not? If there's a trade, you trade. If there's an edge, you trade it. If there isn't any edge, you don't trade it. That's it, right?
Yeah, man. Look at the members, man. Printing money,
Printing money.
64% on gains on tail.
Let's go.
While people, other people in crypto, they're down a ton because they don't know, they don't trade, they just hodl through life, and the clock is ticking. All hodlers are going to get wrecked.
Right.
They're already wrecked. They're already
And
wrecked.
this is an edge as well. This dude, anti-trees, he's with us, right? He traded an edge, all right, low risk, high asymmetric reward. Because I can already hear some people, hey, you know what? I bought KASPA at the dear low at 0.7, whatever, and I made 60% as well. But you did it. You made a bad call because you have no edge. You bought a falling knife that you were saved this time. You didn't have a low risk, high asymmetric reward. You had a huge risk, all right, and a potential, reward. When you trade, low risk, high asymmetrical reward, like TEL, for example, or like the CAS short, right, then you can compound the same decision over and over. That is called an edge. Buying falling knives is not an edge.
I'd be interested on your thoughts on Chainlink. Man, Chainlink. Let me see. Let me see. Tell me if you see my chart.
Yeah, we see Casper right now.
Link. All right. So Link is better than it's better than a lot of coins because it's not under a death cross, but it's still here. And for me, it's not my cup of tea. If it will come up here, and start looking sexy, yeah, I might take it. I might take a trade, but it depends when it will do that and if there will be maybe other names that look much sexier. So remember, I cannot trade all coins. I trade only the best coins on a specific time, And at the moment, Chainlink is not one of them. Chainlink looks like not looking so good to me, in my opinion.
CM, I agree with you about this is not a trade for us right now. The one thing I will say, for this dude, Mr. Dancing Leo Sayer, okay, that at least it's a coin in an uptrend.
Yeah.
Right. So at least he's looking at, he's not one of these people that is showing us, dips and coins down, on six feet down or whatever, So, hey, at least he's showing something that is in an uptrend, right? But I don't know. He's asking our thoughts on Chainlink, so it looks like it sounds like he's looking for a confirmation to get in. All right. So we don't have any confirmation to get in, at least not on our edge. Okay. Remember, we trade only our edge. We don't try to trade different than our edge because it's all statistics over here. An edge gives you an advantage to make money over time, and if you don't have it, then you won't make money over time. And that's what we want to do. We want to make money over time, okay? Not just any one instance. So even though chain link, as CM said, is looking better than most coins, it's still not in that spot where we can trade it. It's not in a velocity, trade characteristic. So it needs some more time to build. Hopefully you can build it, as CM said, roughly around the $27. Let's wait and see.
All right, man.
Yeah.
Well, guys, if you have more questions, drop them now. If not, we're going to wrap it up. Obviously, we're going to monitor the KASPA chart forever, and we're going to see if it's going to do a reversal in the next couple of weeks, or if it will fail. We're going to keep you posted. So make sure to subscribe, click the bell so you don't miss the lives. And also, we have a special for the Valentine's Day, man. If you've been holding or buying KASPA for the last year, you're just losing money. You don't make any money. You're just getting wrecked to pieces. Instead of that, take some of the capital, buy yourself the lifetime membership in our community, and really, will change your life, man. Really, you just click on the link below, man, or drop use the coupon code, get your 25% off, man. Really, stop getting wrecked. Stop losing opportunity in a bull market because, man, KASPA since November 2023, it is doing jack shit. Okay, it is doing jack shit. Uh, you missed out. If you are all in KASPA, like all the lady boys on Twitter, you missed XRP, you missed Turbo, you missed so many huge breakouts. You missed XCN, HBAR, ADA. You missed, man, I can give you thousands of names
thousands of names,
that
thousands.
made huge move. All the meme coins, Pepe, Doge, man, really.
Weave, yeah, everything. I get it. I
Stop
get it.
missing
Yeah,
out. Stop missing trades. Stop missing amazing bull runs because you are engaged or in love with the coin that is just doing nothing at the moment. You need to know when to be in the coin. Okay.
exactly. Don't trade time for money, right? Stop with the opportunity lost because you are waiting for just one coin to push, right? Stop doing that, okay? Make sure that you understand the mechanics of how to trade velocity trades fast. We preach it. And as CM said, 25% for Valentine's weekend. Scan the QR code in the upper left side of the screen right now. Scan the QR code in the upper left side of the screen. It will take you to this page. Here are some relevant reviews for people that are working with us for a while, even though we moved from Patreon right to WAP. So they were with us since Patreon, and they understand how things work. Just choose. You want a CM, do a CM. You want me, do me. We work together either way. Okay. Eventually, we're gonna make meetups and everything. So just click, join. Take the 25%, and you'll probably not regret this. You'll be our dear friends for life, as many of our people are. Right, CM?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Hey, we have a question of Marcus. Marcus, I know him. I think he was my member back in the last year. What do you expect for the upcoming months on a market perspective? Well, man, this is a serious question, but I'm just gonna tell you what I think. Like that, we might get a rally now into March, February, March, maybe, hopefully, if we are lucky, we get a little rally and Bitcoin breakout to whatever it wanna break out, and then rug pull in April. That's my scenario that I'm watching now, or a correction in
Yeah,
April. And yeah, we're gonna monitor it. We're gonna monitor it. We're
for
gonna get
sure.
we're gonna get signals from the dollar, from Bitcoin, from the S&P. At the moment, it looks like they want to rally. Like at the
Yeah.
moment,
No, I agree with Sia. My perspective for 2025 is I have two different scenarios that lead to the same way, right? One scenario is due to a short-term, issue with liquidity in the United States because of the Fed. We might have a drop down, all right? But eventually they will need to, reduce rates because of, Trump is going to make that happen because he wants money in the market. He needs to make, the administration work well. So they're probably going to reduce rates eventually. So eventually, even if we go down, we will go up afterwards. Or maybe we don't even get that many financial issues, right? And we go up from these levels, right? Right now, we're in a rectangle with the upper level being 110, the lower level being like 89. If we break below 89, I know we're going to go short term down, and then up afterwards. I don't know when exactly. We don't have any crystal balls. All right, this is our perspectives. That's one scenario. The other scenario, we just break above 110 and go higher. With everything that has happened with the dollar that is getting weakened with time, over time, bonds, are getting worse. The United States can't pay them as well. Anyways, a lot of, fundamental macro issues will lead Bitcoin higher. I do see it. It seems like the path to least resistance either in the short term or the midterm will be up. That's my perspective. The end of
yeah.
the year, I think, should be a blast. I know it's a consensus, but just seems like it. But of course, we'll just monitor and we will trade the price to action. We won't trade based on the ideas. We'll trade based on the price action. Right?
Marcus, welcome aboard to the trading service, sir. By the way, you're gonna have all the trade alerts and the market updates on the page on WAP. So make sure you activate the notification, get their app, amazing app. And yeah, man, to your question, yeah, and you're gonna get the updates, man. So all our strategies, all our thoughts, how we're gonna ride the swings. You know how I operate, man. I operate everything now as a window of opportunities. Okay, so now there is a kind of bullish window of opportunity to nail some good trades in crypto because Bitcoin looks like it's holding. It's not looking like it want to dump. It looks like the dump is over. Maybe it's going to bottom out a little bit more, maybe come down to test the 90K, whatever. But as you can see right now, some altcoins are pushing to new highs. The tail trade was a signal that the market is not bearish now. Okay, the market is not bearish and it's actually neutral. And your job, our job now, is to find the trade that will print us money now. And tail was one of them. So this is just an example that maybe Bitcoin is getting ready for a rally up. And also, we look on the Nasdaq and the S&P, and they show that they're already at their all-time highs. So it looks like, hey, up. It looks like some more up. February, maybe March, and then we'll take it from there.
Yeah, I think you heard our perspectives. Either way, bottom line, perspectives are just ideas. Eventually, we trade setups, we trade opportunities, and we trade the price action, right? Because the price action tells us what the market wants to do in the short term, and we try to make money now. Okay, so beautiful. We have a Misha dude here.
1 second, leave him. Marcus, I don't trade leverage. I never trade leverage. You want to use leverage? It's on you. My trade alerts are not for leverage trading, so take it into consideration. I don't use leverage. I don't need leverage. When I want to, make big money, I just put big money. I don't use leverage. Let's say you have a 100K account or 200K account. You want to be aggressive? Just put 100K on the fucking trade. But again, make sure really much better for you is to upgrade to the 3 month, man, and really go through my courses because I'm teaching you how to think like a trader, how to do position sizing, how to look on coins before you buy them, how to look on the volume, when to buy, which exchange to buy the coin. You need to know this kind of stuff, and also how to do futures trading. You don't want to do leverage, man. Leverage is bullshit. It will get you wrecked. It will make you greedy, and then in one day when you're not focused, boom, you're gonna get wiped out. You're gonna get liquidated. You don't want it. You don't need it, man. Marcus, we're looking for a nice lifestyle with no stress. We take a trade, boom, we make money, and that's it. We don't want to be like, oh no, I have a 10x leverage. I'm gonna get wiped out. Oh no, Bitcoin is going down $1. Bitcoin is down $1. Oh no, no. This is not how we roll. We are professional, responsible traders, and no leverage, please. We don't do leverage.
It's funny because I made a post on Twitter today, and by the way, if you didn't like me on Twitter and follow me, so follow me on Twitter. My name is No Edge No Trade, as you can see over here. And I just said that leverage trading is just the ultimate trap, right? You can go read it later, but bottom line, you don't need it. No, you don't need it whatsoever. Just trade your capital. Just trade your own capital, stair-step your P&L, and that's it. For people that trade leverage are trying to be greedy now, right? It's like loaning money, leverage. So if you loan money, basically what are you doing from the bank? You're loaning money from future you. It can cost you a lot of money. You can go into trouble because of loaning bad loans, right? So leverage is the same thing. Trade your own capital, do and create correct tactics, use correct position sizes, correct risk taking, build that skill, stair-step your P&L, and that's all you need to do. All you need to do. Okay. What else we have here? We have here people that think that KASPA, that we changed our mind on KASPA. These are people that never watched our lives.
The KASPA lady boys, man, leave them.
The KASPA lady. I will address all of them at one, just together. Hey, we didn't change our mind because we don't have a mind on KASPA. What we do on KASPA is just we trade it. We made money shorting. We never said it's going to zero. Never. Right? We traded it. We made money, beautiful money on the shorts. I made over 30-something% on my account, right? Just by shorting. KASPA was one of the shorts. Beautiful, right? Now, If we can see it go too long, trade long, we'll make money. And these people, I don't know who they are, probably never saw that we made huge money on KASPA in the past. So again, ladies and gents, KASPA is just another trade. Don't fall in love with KASPA. KASPA isn't king. Bitcoin is king, if anything, right? And the rest is just
Oh
pure
yeah.
crypto, pure crypto. Just your mindset needs to be all coins are crap. You just want to make money out of them. That is it. That is it. All right. Roger says that trading Caspa is a sign of a lesser intellect.
This is this is the Kaspa professional investor. This is the
Yeah.
he's the Kaspa god, you know. Mr. Roger is in the house. Wait, applauses.
Ooh, it's the
Smash the
lesser.
like for Roger. Smash the like for Roger and for the Kaspa lady boys now.
Ah,
Woo!
man, lesser intellect. I don't. You know what? These people always resound to being a bully online, like, because they don't love what we say and they hate the fact that we know how to make money shorting the coin that they fell in love with. They hate it, so they resound to bully to being a bully and try to diminish us online. Hey guys, have a good life, enjoy. You don't have to come to our channel at all. Just don't come. Listen to someone else.
If,
It's all
if it
good.
if it gives
We
you
have our
ears, don't
people,
come, man. Don't come.
all right? But if you do have an open mind about making real money, you don't need to fall in love with the coin whatsoever.
Kaspa is garbage.
They are all garbage. It's just crypto. That's it. Don't fall in love with any coin.
All right, guys. Well, thank you very much for watching. Smash the like, leave a comment. Join the community today. 25%. Do the same like Marcus. Take an advantage, man. Really, if you're serious, join the community. Take a 3 months package. Take a 3 months package. Learn, educate yourself, and make filthy money. Whether going long or short, man. Don't be engaged to one coin, because then you're going to suffer like all
You're
the
gonna
Kappa
suffer.
lady boys. They're gonna
Exactly.
suffer. Okay, whether really educate yourself, make money. See you in the next video. No trade.
No edge, no trade.